In this video, we're building a completely free raised garden bed using only materials already available in our garden. We won't purchase a single item for this project. At the end, we'll also show you the results after 2 months so you can see how well it performs over time. Let's begin step by step. First, we prepare the area by clearing away weeds, stones, and anything that could disturb the structure. Starting with a clean, level surface makes the bed stronger, neater, and easier to manage. Next, we mark out a round shape for the bed. We take old bamboo sticks that were previously used as trellises and arrange them along the marked circle. Each stick is pushed slightly into the soil and supported with bricks to keep it firm. This creates the outer wall of our raised bed. Inside this larger circle, we form a smaller circle using the same bamboo sticks. This inner ring will serve as our built-in composting system. Once both circles are in place, we tie the bamboo sticks together securely with rope. This strengthens the entire frame and ensures it can easily hold the weight of the soil. After that, we line the inside of the bamboo structure with old food-grade sacks. These sacks cover the gaps between the sticks, prevent soil from spilling out, and help retain moisture. Now it's time to fill the bed. We add regular garden soil, and while filling, we sprinkle bone meal and neem cake to naturally improve fertility and protect plants from pests. We fill the bed to the top and then spread a thick layer of compost over the surface. The top few inches are lightly mixed so the soil, compost, and amendments blend evenly. The small circle in the center becomes our composting unit. We place vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and other organic kitchen waste inside, along with a little compost to speed up decomposition. This setup creates a continuous flow of nutrients that feed the surrounding plants. What you're seeing now is the bed exactly 2 months later. The results clearly show how well this system works. The sweet peas we planted are healthy, vigorous, and thriving, proving that the soil is rich and active. The outer structure made from bamboo, sacks, and rope remains strong and intact, showing that simple recycled materials can be highly effective. If you look at the center composting section, all the kitchen waste we added has fully decomposed into dark, nutrient-rich compost. The system is continuously feeding the plants. You may notice a few weeds, which we carefully remove along with their roots to prevent regrowth. Regular removal gradually reduces weed problems over time. To maintain plant health, we add a light layer of fresh compost around them as a gentle fertilizer. Then we refill the center compost circle with new kitchen and garden waste to keep the nutrient cycle going. Finally, we water lightly to activate the composting process and maintain soil moisture. This simple raised bed not only produces healthy plants, but also turns kitchen waste into valuable nutrients. If you'd like to see more before and after garden results, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.